Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm doing a really pretty set of pink nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with the color You're So Vain by Madam Glam, and yes, it is a gel polish. As you guys know, I'm just in love with their polishes. They're so good. The coverage is so good, and they just had their Black Friday sale, so I hope some of you guys were able to get that. If you were, let me know down in the comments, just because I'm being nosy, but I know they had a really good sale. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply this on all of her fingers except for her ring fingers, because we're gonna do something different on them. But of course, we're gonna go in and do two coats. So we're gonna do this first coat, cure them for 30 seconds, and then come back and do a second coat on them as well. Even though this gel polish, or all of their gel polishes, already have a really good coverage, I like to still go back and do two coats just because. So again, we're gonna go ahead and finish off this hand, put them under the light for 30 seconds, and go ahead and do the other hand as well. And as always, just cleaning around the cuticle area. I'm using my OPI gel brush, which I use to clean around the cuticle area, and I really think that I need to just go ahead and get me a regular cleanup brush, but they do the same thing, so there's no need for it. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, y'all, so we went ahead and put that hand under the UV light for 30 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and do this coat on this hand as well. Again, we're doing all of the nails except for the ring finger, and as always, I do have a promo code for Madam Glam, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and finish this hand off, cleaning around the cuticle area and then curing for 30 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and do a second coat, and as you can see by the nails, they already look really pretty. This color is so cute. It's kind of like an in-between pinkish and purplish, more like a mauve color. It's really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and finish doing this second coat, and we're gonna do that on both hands and curing for 30 seconds each hand. Alrighty, so for this ring finger, I'm going to go in and do a coat of my IBD gel top coat. We're going to do that over the whole nail. And then I'm going to go in with my wax pencil and my SS6 Bling. And I'm just going to do a few scattered around the nail. And after that, we're going to go in with my Caviar. So to apply the Caviar, again, you do want to do this while the gel top coat is still wet. And we're going to use a metal cuticle pusher, and we're literally just going to sprinkle the Caviar over the top of the nail, making sure that you get a full coverage by turning your client's finger over to the sides so you can see the entire nail. Again, just pick up the Caviar with the cuticle pusher and just sprinkle it over the nail. After this, we're going to go ahead and cure this nail for 60 seconds, but it's really simple. Again, you just do a coat of the IBD gel top coat or whatever top coat that you have, and then you don't have to use the rhinestones. I only like to do it, but you don't have to. You can do a full nail of Caviar, but you apply the rhinestones and then you go back and sprinkle the Caviar over the nail while the top coat is still dry, and then you go back and cure for 60 seconds. So it's really simple and it turns out really pretty. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and let that one cure, and then we're going to go in with my Mia Secret gel resin, and we're going to apply that on the nail, and we're going to do some bling on this finger. So it's going to be kind of like my clients call it a swirl. So basically it's rhinestones on the nail, but they kind of go at an angle, kind of like basically like a swirl. So as you can see, they're not going straight down or to the side, they swirl. So again, just always apply your gel resin as you go because it will dry, so make sure that you apply it as you need it. And then we're using my SS6 SS12 AB rhinestones, and we're just applying them with the wax pencil. Alrighty, so for the rest of the fingers, on the middle finger, I'm going to do 3 rhinestones, which will be a SS12 in the middle, and then a SS6 on the right side and a SS6 on the left side. And then for the pinky and the thumb, we're just going to do a SS12 right in the middle. As you can see, I just applied the glue, pick the rhinestone with my wax pencil, and just place it on the nail. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and spray the nails with the activator to help that glue dry faster. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. Again, we just apply the glue, apply the rhinestones, spray the nails with the activator, and that's it. Alrighty, so we finished applying all of the bling. So now I'm just going to go in and just gently reshape the nails with the Caviar. Just really gently, just to get back our shape that we had, because once you apply the Caviar, it will take away from your shape. So we're going to go ahead and dust them off. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat on all of the nails. Again, this is my IBD gel top coat. And then I also like to go in and apply a top coat on the nail with the Caviar. but it's a really thin layer. I really just do it around the perimeter of the nail, and then I also do a little bit over the top, and then as you can see, I kind of rub it off with my nail to where it kind of sinks in between the caviar, because if you do a thick top coat, I promise you it's gonna look like melted plastic. I've tried it before and it was just horrible. So you just do just a tiny bit around the perimeter of the nail, and then just a little bit over the top, but make sure you kind of rub it off with your nail or with your finger to make sure that it kind of sinks in between the caviar. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That color is just so beautiful, and everything just went really good together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.